Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert stock chart in your MS Word document. So friends, as we can see, it's a stock chart and it's ready to use template. So if you like to use this type of template, just select area where you want to insert stock chart, like in here. So click here, then click on insert and click on chart. And in this list you will find a list of charts like line, graph, pie, bar, area. So click on stock. You can select a style for stock like high, low, close, open, high, low, close, volume, high, low, close, and this volume, open, high, low, close. So select as your requirement, then click on OK. That's it. Now friends, we have this stock chart in this MS Word document. You can set from here. And you can change and edit your data as your requirement. After editing, close it. Now double click on it. So this ribbon will open. You can change style and design. You can change color. It's nice. And also in this right side panel, you can design more nicely. Soft edge and glow. So hopefully friends, you like this video. By this quick method, we can know how to insert stock chart graph in MS Word document. Thanks for watching.